At its core, the film follows abeltesfaye. Yes, The Weeknd plays himself. He's a superstar singer dealing with insomnia, heartbreak, and a sudden loss of voice during a concert. He's drawn into a bizarre nocturnal odyssey by Jenna Ortega as Anima, a mysterious, obsessive fan who kidnaps him and forces him to confront his emotional numbness. As a non-diehard fan of The Weeknd, I think this plot holds promise, but it's executed very poorly. Hurry Up Tomorrow is a beautiful looking and great sounding film, but it feels more like a self-indulgent passion project than a movie made for audiences. It's visually hypnotic, musically immersive, and occasionally intriguing, but it's also emotionally hollow, narratively thin, and way too long for what it's trying to say. If you're a hardcore fan of The Weeknd, this might hit on a deeper level, but if you're like me, someone who appreciates his music but isn't invested in his persona, you'll probably walk away feeling like you just watched an overextended concept album come to life. Not to sound like a hater, but it's hard to take The Weeknd's acting seriously, and he adds to the self-indulgent vibe. The film is ambitious, but ultimately bloated and disconnected. As much as I respect the artistry behind it, I just didn't connect with it, and I wouldn't recommend it unless you're a hardcore fan.